Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir.
Morning, all of us.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good
How are
morning,
you doing
sir.
today?
Fine, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Please mute your all audio. Okay. You need to just watch me and listen me. Understanding, students?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just a second. First period. Some more has come. I should accept it. Just a second. Yeah. You are listening, students now.
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
See, I'm your biology master. Okay. My name is Tausif Khair. Understanding? Okay.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Tausif N. Okay. Tausif. Tausif. Got
Okay,
three
sir.
lines?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Now, response is over. I suggest no one should respond. You mute your audio section. You just listen me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Biology. And now onwards, you will be studying with me biology 10th standard prescribed by Government of India. Okay? Government of India, who directs NCRT, National Council of Education Research and Training. They have given 1961. Okay, they brought syllabus for all kind of fields in India. So biology is a wonderful subject also. So regarding that, we study. Okay, NCRT provides the syllabus for ninth, from not just ninth, from first standard also. But Karnataka government what did it has announced only for your ninth standard. Okay, for 10th standard, how many chapters are there for biology? Okay, you have five chapters. You have five chapters. Okay, in 10th, five. How much? Okay, 5%. Okay, and 5% standard. Importantly, get it down. Okay, bring your textbook. Okay. In part one only. One, two, three. In part one, out of this, you have sorry. In part one, you have only importantly three chapters. Okay, three chapters. In part two remaining other chapters. Okay, I will in 10 form only 10th standard. So which are they? Chapter 6.
Life. Life process.
Yeah, life process. And what are the other
Control and
chapters?
coordination. Sir.
7.
Our
Control and coordination.
Chapter 15.
And student.
Our environment. Sir.
Our
Chapter
environment, sir.
15.
Yeah, very
Our
good.
environment.
Our environment.
Yeah. So we have these things in part one. Okay. I see. I was thinking the syllabus is reduced. No, but we have 6 chapters in 10th standard. Please count it out. Okay. 6 chapters. 5 chapters remaining all are there. Okay. Say 1, 2, 3. Chemical processing elimination. and periodic classification. Okay, this is the final thing. Sources of energy also comes in biology only. You can physics also you can be taught, but actually main sources of biology only. Okay, you will see the plants and all things. So totally 6 chapters are at standard. Biology, we are going to see review that. So which chapter you want to start first? Shall we start life process first? Yeah, chapter number 6. Why not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start
Yes, sir.
now, right? Put on the heading life process. Life. What are called actually life process? Avoid. Do you know? Life process means what? Just a second. I got many again requests. Then now they are sending requests. Fine. I have muted them all. Someone used to say their own way. The evolution comes out of life process. No. Okay, neither will. Okay. Excretion and transportation. Transportation. Muted now. How can they say? Man. Mute means okay. I'm not yet let no not an issue. Oh, fine. We will begin with many things. It will better if you just read up the introduction. Stand up and read it. Can you read right? Read. Stop. No, you stand. No problem. Okay. How do we tell that there is a difference between there is something live and there is something not? Here it's true. Walls are not living being. We are living being. How? What defines actually? What also has color? We have color. Right? Then what's actually the difference? Hmm? Next go. Next one. Hmm. There is movement. Dog barks, buffalo, we move. There's movement, right? We call them as living beings. Non-living beings will not move, right? No, actually, you need to go further. You come to know. Okay? Right. Ah, what if while sleeping we'll down 10 to 12 hours we will be sleeping at one place, right? We were not moving. Then how are you died then? Are you died while sleeping? Then that's what the thing here is. Okay? Even the movement will not differ, movement will not differ. Ships will move, vehicles will move. So they have life. Now, so what actually meaning of life is? You are in 10th standard now. Okay, you all are in 10th standard now. Then just think you need to answer in a way of 10th standard mindset, understanding. Otherwise, there will be no use of sitting in the classrooms only. I can understand students from 2 years you are losing because of this COVID situation. Classes are not going on. Not an issue. Just cooperation is important. Okay, we can take you to the very best imagination level of. Hmm? No problem. Go, continue.
How we do that we see them breathing and they were alive. We either create some
His name is. His name. Your name. Come. Standing. And okay. Read. Because they don't need to.
plants that have leaves of colors other than green. They grow over time, so we know that they are alive. Some will say, in other words, we tend to for some sort of movement, either growth or related.
Yeah. So they grow over time, so we know that they are live. Okay. They are live. So yeah, they grow also, but the non-living beings will not grow. Are you sure now? Are you sure now? Now, mountains have you seen? They're living being or non-living being? Non-living being, but they also grow every year, 1 to 2 feet height. How? It's a non-living being. It's also growing height and so what actually mean the difference between living and non-living? What actually the main the difference between living and non-living? We will go so read that why molecular movements need for life. That paragraph.
Why need for like we have seen that earlier classes that living organism has well organized structure. They can have tissues have shells have smaller
Components in
components in them, and so on because of the effects of the environment, the organized order, the nature of living structure is very likely to keep breaking down over time.
continue.
If order breaks down, the organism will not no longer realize. So, living creatures must keep repairing and maintaining the structure. These all these structures are made up of molecules. They must move molecules along all the time. What are the maintenance processes in living organisms? Let us explore.
Okay, Sira. Now enough. Fine. All of you students listen now here. Molecular movement in our body. See, we take food, we get energy. We drink water, okay, which maintains our body balance. Okay, and we take oxygen. We get balance in our body oxygen level. We need for the survive all the materials from outside only. Okay, how when we take the food now, when we take the water now, when we take the oxygen now, how they are utilized in the body? Where lungs, very when we in the thorax region we will take oxygen, air in them. How the oxygen taken by the blood and supplied to all parts of body? How the water taken by stomach and supplied to all parts of the body? And how the food will be taken inside and their digestion will take place in the stomach? And how it will be supplied to the all parts of the body? We consider in this life process. Okay, processes. Very important to understand. It's a very important chapter actually. If you won't come to know these basics, high school, 10th standard, you will be not having any basics in any way. So better, okay, I can understand students in online class, you will not follow as energetically as you were in this classroom in this. But topics what's are there if you are interested in that. If you are even if you are not interested in that, I'm going to say you now is all of you students who are present now in my class is you need to understand this chapter is to relate to daily life. If in the 10th standard, even in the 10th standard, you are not studying to means you are not able to understand this chapter means God only can save you. So better you please understand the what are the processes, how food digested, water supply, oxygen supply, and many other things supply in our body to maintain as a living being. Okay, what happens if I stop drinking water? What happens if I stop drinking water? I die after some time. Water, sorry, food. I die, and oxygen will die immediately. So how most important the oxygen is, right? So you will see those only oxygen, food supply, and water supply. How will be in our body? Okay. So what are life processes? The next heading. Read that. You read. What are life processes? See, you need to loudly. You need to say loudly. Yes. This kind of maintenance job is known as life process. What kind of maintenance job? Read that once again. The maintenance of job has to go on. The process which together perform a maintenance job called life process. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Yeah. Understood? Okay, so we need energy to maintain our body. Okay, without energy, I say you, actually there will be not existence of any material. Even the sticks have energy. Even the walls have energy. We have energy. Everyone has energy. Okay, everyone has energy. How, sir? Do you see you asking how? You burn the stick, you will get the heat energy. So where was the energy in that? Long time ago, it was a plant, living plant. Okay, when you eat the chicken, consider you get energy. So where does the energy come in chicken? Flesh, meat. Because it to survive one day living, okay, living day it was like that. Everything in the universe, in our nature, we balanced by our energy only. Okay. Next, next paragraph.
Sir, we can't hear.
Known as respiration. Okay. Oxidizing, reducing reactions are some of the most common chemicals needs to break down the molecules of our food. Okay, whatever you food take into the body, some of what it does, it digests. Okay, it digests and uh, it digests and all the food molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, and minerals. These all transfer to all parts of our body. Okay, at that moment, we need oxygen to break down them and get energy. You are understanding me? Whenever you eat food, all like carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, they all digested in the stomach. From that stomach, okay, through the blood, all molecules will be supplied to all parts of our body. Okay. Then here we consider here will be our carbohydrate molecule. Okay. What we need the oxygen to break down that to get energy. Okay, don't think that digestion ends when you eat, you will get energy. After eating, you must have iron properly. So only people do walking after eating. It's not reason that to digest in the stomach, actually to get oxygen. Today, you get oxygen. Fine. We will directly go to the nutrition chapter, okay? Fine. No, here only. Just done only one page. Nutrition. And to all online students, I hope you must have your self biology textbook in front of you.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
so you can do
Yes, sir.
nu- nutrition. When we walk, wait, one second, one this. So online students, I need to inform you that call means this is record. Okay, it's recording. It's recording, right? The video call is recording. So you must need to interact with me properly. Otherwise, this record will be there. Okay, I'm understand better. You understanding me? Hmm? Okay. Okay. Now continue. Stop. Energy is compulsory, okay, to maintain a state of order in our body. Okay. Next. Is the food we eat. Okay, sit down. Okay, nutrition process involves intake of energy into our body in the form of food molecules. Whatever food you eat, that is all living being or non-living being, just think. Those are what we call biomolecules. What we call it as biomolecules. Students are still getting the request now. It cannot be done. Okay, you should have done this before only. I'm not going to accept. Let's say those students. Okay. So I need anyone from online to read the textbook. Who's ready?
Hi, sir.
Who's that name?
Naveen, sir.
Naveen. Naveen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In 6.2 nutrition, how living things get to get their food.
The general requirement for energy and materials is common in all organisms, but it is fulfilled in different ways. Some organisms use simple food material obtained from inorganic sources in this form of carbon dioxide and water. These organisms, the autotrophs, include green.
Okay. I'll tell you to read. Point means you need to read three sentences and stop. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, the general requirement of the body, okay, is nothing but energy in the form of molecules only. Molecules like we know that carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, and fats, and minerals and okay, vitamins also. We know that. We are going to study that further also. The living thing, not only not only human beings actually. All plants require the same carbohydrate actually, but different form. Food is sorry. You just imagine, Naveen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you all of you. So apple is an best thing for us, right? Food. How delicious it is. But actually, apple is a waste product for plant. Jawar, jaggery, okay, and many types of grains, pulses, and what all things you eat from plant, and all vegetable, tomato, These all things are waste to plant. Plant won't need that. Plant needs sunlight and water and minerals from roots. This is the food for plant. The byproduct like fruits and all things, these are not more necessary for plant. These are okay. If these are like the plant, it's okay help for next further process. But actually these are the waste thing. But for us, is it the waste thing? No, it's a very important food. And our waste thing, whatever comes out of our body, that is in food for plants as a fertilizer. Understanding? I am a big as a biology lecturer. Once we get the offline classes, now you will come to know what kind of and what range I want to teach you. And I understand. We cannot say in the offline, we cannot see any students, they are alive here. But even though they are alive here, they keep their phone and go somewhere else. They can do that. Just for attendance, they can do that. But literally, I want to say it's a very interesting topic, biology, what I've seen. We are big as the biomolecules, okay, biochemistry masters we are. One day, if we get to the offline class now, when the offline class will start, I think from next month, I think so, or end of this month, I hope so. Then I'm saying you will come to know what actually science it is and what actually biology. I'll teach you. I'll ensure you do. Until then, just suggest here only in the online. No problem. Okay. Next, this is what I want to say. Okay, in the form of carbon dioxide in molecule and water, plants get. Okay, inorganic substances. Now we will continue.
Yes, sir. Include green plants and some bacteria. Other organisms utilize complex substances. These complex substances have to be broken down into simpler ones before they can be used for upkeep and growth of the body.
Yes, you will understand in my next class if possibly how does this kind of molecule will be broken down into smaller pieces. See, if you eat the food of almost this much of size bite, okay, it will be broken into a molecular level into the stomach. How you will see in the next class possibly. Continue and this paragraph.
To achieve this, organisms use biocatalysts called enzymes. Thus, the heterotroph's survival depends directly or indirectly on heterotrophs. Heterotrophic organisms include animals and fungi.
Fine. Include animals and fungi, all do the same process, breakdown of higher molecules, this much size of food molecules into the molecular form. All animals, all plants do the same thing. This is what we have seen in this class. Okay, fine. We'll continue the next class. Class dispersed from biology. Physics madam will take now.
Okay, sir.